Did you know an owl can rotate its head almost all the way around? Up to 270 degrees. That's why. Owls are masters of silent flight. Special feathers on their wings muffle the sound of their prey, letting them sneak up on their food in total silence. An owl's eyesight is so powerful, they can see clearly in near total darkness. And their hearing is just as sharp. They can detect the faintest rustle of a mouse. Unlike most birds, owls swallow their prey whole, then cough up the bones and fur in pellets. So from their eerie calls to their night hunting skills, owls are some of the most fascinating birds of prey on Earth. There's one call that I hear every single time I go out hunting, and it's the call of the great horned owl. They're one of my favorite birds of prey. What's your favorite thing about owls? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to follow the channel for more 60-second animal facts.